Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to get job alerts automatically in LinkedIn. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to get automatic job alerts in LinkedIn, all you got to do is simply open your LinkedIn. Now you need to tap on the search button. Here you can simply tap on any of the preference of job you want. And once you have found this, you can tap on the job section. So here you can find different kind of jobs. So you can tap on the get job alert for this search option and toggle it in the right hand side. Now you can open your settings and you can turn off all the notifications in your LinkedIn, which will allow you to get like different kind of job alerts according to the type of job you select. So you can select your company, your experience, your job type, and your location as well. And this way you can simply automatically turn on job alerts on your LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.